Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we are going to be installing LED brake lights on our 2007 Volvo S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so in today's video, we're going to be finishing off the rear end of the LEDs. So as we've done in the past, guys, there's going to be links down below. We've done the rear turn signals as well as the front turn signals, which are now LED light bulbs. We also did the backup lights, which are LED as well now, and we're going to be finishing it off with the brake light. This is going to tone in the back of the car, make it more look more realistically futuristic, if I can say realistically futuristically, a bit more modern as far as look wise, and it just makes the car look less of a 2007 Volvo. And then once we've done with that, all we're gonna have left as far as LEDs are gonna be the front fog lights. So in a future video, just waiting guys that the snow melts here, because there's still a lot of snow here in Quebec, Canada. We're waiting for the snow to melt because I'll probably have to lay on the floor to take the grills out and everything. But today's video, we're focusing on the rear brake lights. So these are the lights that I've chosen, guys. They are red lights, so it's gonna perfectly match with the brakes. You don't want to be putting white bulbs inside of a red brake light. So brake light back here, let me just focus for you guys. So as you guys can see a little bit through the lens, we can see a little bit of the backup light. There we go, a little bit of a better angle here. And then to the left, you can see the little blue hue of the turn signal. So this one, the actual brake light is gonna go at the bottom here, and it's gonna tone in all of the back of the car. Okay, so step number one is gonna be removing the partition on the side right here. Just want to push and pull on this little piece, put that to the side. Then you have access to the whole assembly, which holds the 4 lights. So we've already done the backup lights and the turn signals, and now what we're going to be doing is installing these. So the little brake light, which is right here, what you want to do, you have 2 pins on the very end. You want to push on both of them, you guys are going to see, and it's going to pop the assembly out just like that. And then once you have the assembly out like that, you just kind of want to wiggle it out. Once it is out, you want to remove the very furthest bulb at the bottom left side of the assembly. So this bulb right here, you just want to push down on it and turn, and the bulb comes out. Then you just want to rest the assembly here. You want to get your LED bulb, which is this one right here, and you want to do the same thing. So push down and twist, and now it is all nice in place like that. So that's pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on, and then we'll switch to the other side. Alright guys, so before we actually get on installing the right side, I wanted to show you guys a visual comparison of the bulb, which is the stock factory one, which is gonna be on the right side over here, and the left side, this light right here, is the one that we just changed. So this is the LED bulb, and this right here is the regular incandescent bulb. So I'm gonna go inside of the car and I'm gonna press the brake just so you guys can see how big of a difference this makes. As you guys can see, that makes an absolute huge difference, and we are only during daytime. So at nighttime, the difference is going to be absolutely even more. I'll make sure to include some of B-rolls for you guys so you guys can see. I'll try to bring the old bulb and put the old bulb in just to show you guys, so with and without, how much of a difference it makes, but it is very bright. So the other side, guys, is the absolute same thing. The only difference is that the partition, which is right here, is way smaller than the one on the other side. It's actually very small. You want to do the same process, so press on the 2 tabs. There's 2 little pins, and then you just want to be careful with this side because this side has a little bit less room. So you kind of want to pull it towards the right side and then pull it up and out like that. You just want to make sure that these cables don't come loose and don't come all tangled with the other ones. So we're gonna take out the LED bulb, just like that, and we're gonna remove the far right side by pushing down and twisting, just like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the new bulb. Press it in and twist it in like that. And then you wanna carefully, without tangling everything, I'm just going to push this cable off to the side a little bit, just to make sure that it doesn't go inside with the, and then you just wanna make sure that it's all in and you push all the way through. You're gonna hear a click if you yank on it very, very slowly, not to rip anything out. You're gonna see that it doesn't move. So you can keep your old bulb if ever you need it, if ever the new LED one burns or for whatever reason. These bulbs were good. I just wanted to modernize the look of the exterior lighting of the car. So that's pretty much it, guys. So everything is now installed back on the car, guys, and it's time to show you guys some after results B-roll. Enjoy. So the final result looks absolutely amazing. Guys, we have now finished as far as the rear end goes for the LED lights on the S80 V8. So no more LEDs for the back of the car. Last one, like I said at the beginning of the video, that is left to be done are the front fog lights, and then that's it. Then we're gonna start doing carbon fiber, work on the S60R, and all of those good things. We also have a couple of V70R videos planned for you guys. So Mech has been doing some work on his end for, as well as the engine bay goes, to prepare it for the swap with the fully built block. So we're gonna have more updates on that coming very, very soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. See you, boys.